Hi everybody, it's 10:45 and 7 seconds on Tuesday, April 17th. I'm sorry for the very long delay. This one did take a little while to fill up, longer than usual. And then for about the past hour, I've been on a conference call for work, so I'm really sorry that it's taken so long to get this run. But without any further ado, here we go. Here are the 14 filled spots over here on the left-hand side. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 10. Alright, so let's randomize 10 times. Name at the top of the list to get the book, and I'm going to try to get it out today, okay? Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here's the final one. 10. Spot 3. Kyle Abram. Congratulations. The time is now 10:46 and